Hey guys, it's Joyce here and welcome to this video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the books that I ordered online from ClickFunnels. So let me share my screen with you guys so that you know what I'm talking about. Yes, as you can see guys, the book that I ordered is Network Marketing Secrets and it's from ClickFunnels and the author is Brunson. So actually, I was really excited. I was really hyped to get this book because it's a collection from ClickFunnels, and I believe in 1 month or 2 months they are going to release Traffic Secrets, and I'm super excited actually to buy this book because it talks about traffic, online traffic, etc. So in this book, actually, the main question is how to use sales funnels to grow your network marketing team. And this book will actually give me a lot of value, a lot of insights, and help me scale my business. And that's very important in an online business. You need to have self-help books, not just self-help books, but books from a great entrepreneur like Brunson himself. There's also books like Legendary Marketer I bought, I believe it was 2 months ago, and this one, the intelligent advertiser. So there is a new collection in my book, and it's Network Marketing Secrets. But that's not all, guys. When I actually filled in, there was an offer below where it said the black box, and it was a one-time offer. So I bought that too, in which there was .com secrets and expert secrets and other books. I seized this opportunity and bought it. And as you can see, guys, this book is actually free, and it usually costs $20, about $20, but when you buy it, you simply have to pay the shipping fee. So if you are a US resident, you just pay about $8. But since I live in Mauritius, which is it is found in international, I paid $16, and I believe it was $35 or $50 for the other books. And I ordered the book in the 15th of December, and I received it today. Here it is, the package. Actually, the package arrived 1 week, more than 1 week earlier, but due to customs, etc., it got delayed. So I'm satisfied with the time it took to reach to my place. So let's open this and let's have a look what's inside. So yes, as it said, there was a Funnel Hacker black box, and it contains the other books. And so here's the book, the Network Marketing Secrets, brand new. And let's open this little guy. Yeah, so here it is. Here, I'm gonna stick it in my laptop, and that's fun. Build funnel hacker. Dun, dun, dun. And there's a quick start guide, and wow, the expert secrets book. Yeah. And ClickFunnels secrets, Actionetics secrets, Fill Your Funnel Secrets. Russell Brunson's Secret Sketches. And the book that is really interesting, the .com Secrets. So I'm gonna cherish this book. And guess what, guys? The best part of it is when you buy these books, you can earn up to $174 with this. How? Let me explain to you. So when you buy the book, you get access to the members area, and you can invite your friends to buy this book next. Now, when they buy this book is free. They will just pay shipping, so you will get $1. And when they buy the black box, you will get about $14.80. Then there is an upsell in the product's value ladder, and the upsell is a one-time offer. It is called the One Funnel Away Challenge. I took part of it and it's amazing, guys. You learn a lot. And the One Funnel Away Challenge costs $100, and you earn a commission of $40. And then there is Traffic Secrets, not the book, but a software, I guess. It's a program, and it's $297. And through that, you earn a commission of $118.80. So in total, if you refer someone to this link, your affiliate link, you will earn up to $174. So when you buy the books, you're not just getting value from them, you are also getting money. So if you refer your friends or someone interested in reading those books, you refer them to this website, you will be getting money when they buy. And if you really want to have these books, I'll leave the link down below. I leave the link for the Expert Secrets, the .com Secrets, and the Network Marketing Secrets. You choose what you want, and if ever you choose anyone, you will be receiving the one-time offer, the black box, the Funnel Hacker black box, and so you can buy it and have fun. So this is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.